What's up, you guys? This is SkinnyBoyRandy. I'm out here working in the greenhouse, trying to get it ready for the spring, summer garden, you guys. It is 57 degrees outside, and I just wanted to do a quick video to show you how to cool your greenhouse down. Okay, like I said, outside is 57 degrees. It's a beautiful day here in Zone 7, Richmond, Virginia. I hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. Please remember to click like and subscribe to this video. Leave a comment, share it, do whatever you need to do. Just thank you for being here. I really do appreciate it. So we got our greenhouse cleaned up. We have some of our seedlings outside, acclimating them to the sunlight. Now look at the temperature inside the greenhouse. Can y'all see that? 96.8 degrees, and it's 57 degrees outside. That's almost a 40-degree difference, you guys. Now, all I have running, blowing on my seedlings is a fan, just to get them stronger. So you want to know, how do you cool your greenhouse down when it's hot? I mean, cool outside, but it's so hot inside the greenhouse. Well, here's a few tips. Open up all of your windows. Open up your door, if you can. This is just one technique, and I'm going to show you instantly the difference in oscillating a big fan like this makes. You can have an oscillating, you can have a regular box fan. Whatever you have, make it work, okay? Okay! So, now, you see it's 97. Oh, it jumped up to 97, y'all. Just that fast, 97.2 degrees. Now, watch when I turn this fan on. I'm going to turn it on 3. Oh, that feels good. Now let's watch our thermometer. I just turned it on. Can y'all see the temperature? And I have the fan sitting right in front of a window, blowing some of that cool air inside. Look at that. You saw it drop to 97.0. It's been a few seconds since we turned the fan on. Look at that, 96.8. $96.6. So you get the idea, right? The difference. It's steady dropping, you guys, steady dropping. Just with one fan, one box fan, you guys. And I have it right in front of the window. Probably could get it a little bit more in front of the window. Let me move this and slide it over a little bit more so it can pull that air right from outside. Look, we're down to 95.9, and we were just at 98, y'all. It has dropped 3 degrees, and it's steady falling. It's sucking in that cool air from outside, and it's blowing inside of our greenhouse, you guys. So imagine if you had 2 or 3, and you put them right there at the window. We can make this work. We're going to make it work, okay? Okay? So yeah, you guys, check into a fan. Put it in front of your windows. If you don't have the shade cloth, which I don't, just put a fan in the windows and let it pull it. Look, 94.8. We've dropped 5 degrees, y'all. Yep, and there you have it. It's your Skinny Boy Randy. Remember, live, love, laugh, y'all. Grow stuff and eat it. And get you a fan to cool the greenhouse down. It's hot in here, okay?